Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of changing the date on a Facebook post. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your website, on your computer or your mobile device. Log into your account if you are not already logged in. Then, navigate to the post whose date you want to change. You can scroll through your timeline or use the search bar at the top to find the specific post. Here, we are heading to our profile, then scrolling down to any photos we have posted in our timeline. Once you have located the post, click on the three dots located in the top right corner of the post. This will open a drop-down menu. Then click on the Edit Date option. Click on the date to open the date selector. A calendar will appear, allowing you to select a new date for the post. Scroll through the calendar and click on the desired date. After selecting the new date, click on the Save or Done button to save your changes. The post will now be updated with the new date. And congratulations, you have successfully learned how to change the date on a Facebook post. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please like and subscribe our channel.